Hey folks, it's Florida Deere. This is going to be as short a video as I can make it. So basically I've been thinking about making this video for the 250th anniversary of the country, and actually for a pretty cool John Deere video too. But I'll get into that in just a minute. I appreciate you joining me. Hopefully enough of you will see this to be able to achieve what I'm trying to do in the short amount of time I'm doing it too. But I just wanted to thank 2 videos ago I did something on that involved a couple things, but Super Clean was offered a free giveaway, and Patrick Nicholson was one of the people, or was the person that actually did win the free giveaway. And there's a free giveaway selector thing, so I just entered the video and they pulled somebody from the comments. So that's kind of how that worked. I'm also thankful for any of you guys that call me, email me, and some of you are actually like excited to talk to me, which I think is pretty cool. I mean, I'm just like a regular guy that has like a YouTube channel that kind of has, gotten some success over the years. And, so I posted videos for about 13 years and kind of really tried to make some effort with the channel for the last 6 years. And I appreciate that. I make a couple $100 a month off of it, in case any of you guys are wondering. So like, there is a benefit to me, so I always want to try to put that benefit back out there. Like if I can share knowledge, situations I've done, installs I've done, product reviews, that I'm not trying to be too like rah-rah one product over another, especially if I haven't had a good experience with it. I think I've been pretty clear. And I've kind of been hard on Deere a couple times too with some of the stuff that they do. Sometimes it's just weird, right? I mean, like my last video was probably not really necessarily against Deere, but it's like there was a Deere dealership that was dealt with, and I mean, I don't know all the details of that, so I didn't find out which dealership it was, but nonetheless, anyways, if you want to watch that video, you can see kind of where I went with that. And basically, I'm just here to, try to call it like it is. But anyways, in this next video I would like to do, which I'm going to try to get out on the 4th of July, I need your help. If you're willing to send me any pics or clips of these following tractors, it would help me quite a bit to make this video. I've been trying to make the video like this for some time, but I really thought this video has to be something that has the correct footage, and I don't have all the footage I need to make it myself. So I'm kind of appealing to any of you. If you have pics of say 110s or 140s, if you have pics of say like a 317 or 318, if you have pics or videos of 420 or 430, some stuff from the 60s, 70s, 80s. If you have some pics or some videos of a 455, whether it be all-wheel drive or all-wheel steer, or 2-wheel steer, whatever. If you have pics of some of the 700 series, X700 series, or even the in-between, which is the 4 and 5, X400 and X500 series with the larger, Super Garden tractors, if you have pics of those or videos. And specifically, if you have pics or videos of the X748, I would like you to send them to my email address, which is donbowman1414@gmail.com. I mean, all my stuff is in the bio or the intro, whatever part. Like if you click on more, it'll show all that information. My phone number is in there too. Some of you guys, like I said, have found it. And always try to, this channel is, I just love being in the John Deere community. I love being like one of the, I mean, I wouldn't say an influencer. I probably don't influence anybody, but like being sort of part of the community, I think is just fun. Whether it's the 1 series or garden tractors, I have fun doing it. It's kind of a hobby, so it's not something I have to be too serious with. But so I like to try to get back to everybody's comments. If you call me or if you email me, I always try to get back to that. Usually I can't get back to it immediately, and I do apologize I haven't put more more videos out lately, with work and family stuff and just trying to get my fitness back on a level where it needs to be. I just have kind of, and it's just hot, man. It's just hot in Florida, so like I try not to be outside too much, because it's always like it's 90 every day here. I know like some days it's probably like 89, but whatever. It feels like it's 90 because our humidity is horrible. And But anyways, I try to get all of those comments. But in order to do this video, I just need your help to try to get this video right. And so if you're willing to send me these videos, hopefully in the next several days, up to maybe a week, I'm going to try to get something out. It is the 27th right now, so I'm going to try to get something out, put something together in the 5th or not the 5th and 6th, but the 2nd and 3rd, and then get it out on the 4th. And basically, I'm trying to celebrate our country, turning 250 years, which I think is pretty cool. And I know that's not everybody's country, because like there's a lot of like Canadian or Polish or Australian viewers too, subscribers too. So, but again, if you have videos, you can still send them to me. You don't have to. It doesn't have to be from America. And John Deere's been a long time, part of the success of America, and I think I'm, trying to put those two to kind of together to celebrate our country, and also to, celebrate John Deere, and specifically in the garden tractor like arena, which has been about 60 plus years now, that they've been involved with garden tractors, a lot longer with construction and much longer with agriculture. So I mean, John Deere's coming up on like 189 years. So out of the 250 that America's been around, John Deere's been around 189 of those years, which I think is pretty substantial. I mean, there's not that many companies that have been around for almost 200 years of American history. So I think John Deere's one of the few that's out there. So anyway, so that's what I was trying to do. I'm trying to make this video short, but brevity is not my forte, so bear with me. But again, I'll throw up those review it and see which video clips, or pick clips, and it can have sound. If you don't want me to have the sound in it, I can dub over it, and I may dub over it anyways, just to say what I need to say about those particular tractors. But I'm gonna try to put something together that's that hopefully a lot of people will like, and I will certainly give credit to whoever sends the videos, and might even do one of those little rolling things at the end where it shows the credits or something. Like, if you want to be noted for those things, I mean, I don't mind giving credit for that. That would be kind of cool. It'd make my YouTube channel look pretty slick, like these are the credits for this video or something, like one of those fancy YouTube channels, instead of this guy that's just in his shop in the garage making off the cuff videos. Anyway, whatever. I went all out to wear my John Deere shirt and the hat to make this look as official as I possibly could. So hopefully you guys watched to the end of this. I appreciate any help you guys could provide. And if you like this video, hit the like button. I'd appreciate that. And if you wanted to learn more about the John Deere garden tractors or the John Deere 1 series, you can hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you guys in about a week. Bye.